When on a collision course with the future, you can either adapt and survive or be left behind. Windsor-Essex chose the third option: help define the future and thrive. As a global leader in the development and implementation of automation technologies, we're the ones that build things that build things. With over 2,000 acres under glass, we bring low-touch, high-tech agriculture to the rest of North America. And we have over 1,000 manufacturers in our region with a particular expertise in automotive, aerospace, food processing, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and medical devices. Combine all that with a quality of life that celebrates outdoor lovers, sports fans, festival goers, and everyone in between, and you just may have discovered what you're looking for. Windsor-Essex, where Canada begins. Visit ChooseWindsorEssex.com to learn more.